You might not believe this, but if you're over 65, the exercise you trust the most, walking, might actually be making you weaker. I know you think you're doing the right thing, staying active every day, but your muscles may be quietly fading behind the scenes, and it's not your fault. No one told you that after 65, your body needs a different kind of signal. So today, I'll show you the 3 targeted exercises that rebuild strength faster than walking ever could. Why walking alone fails. After 65. Walking is great for your heart, but after 65, it becomes a low-resistance habit your muscles barely notice. Over time, your body adapts and essentially becomes exercise deaf, meaning your muscle fibers stop responding or getting stronger. This leads to gradual muscle loss, slower reaction speed, weaker hips and thighs, and a much higher risk of falls. The good news? You can wake those muscles back up with 3 simple movement types: strength, stability, and neuromuscular coordination, done in just 10 minutes with no special equipment. Exercise number 1, sit to stand, chair squat. The sit to stand, or chair squat, is one of the most important movements any senior can master because it directly reflects your independence. This single exercise strengthens the muscles you rely on every day: your thighs, hips, glutes, and core. It improves hip mobility, boosts balance, and according to multiple studies, can reduce fall risk by up to 50%. Even more importantly, it strengthens the communication between your brain and your muscles, helping your body react faster and more efficiently during real-life movements. This isn't just an exercise, it's a tool for staying confident and capable as you age. To perform it with perfect form, start by choosing a sturdy, non-sliding chair. Stand in front of it with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing forward. Keep your core gently tightened and your chest lifted. Now push your hips back as if you're about to sit down. Lower yourself slowly and with control until you lightly touch the chair, not fully sitting, just tapping. Press down through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and rise back up to a tall, proud posture. This slow, smooth motion is what activates the muscles most effectively. For beginners, a few simple tips make the movement safer and easier. Keep your hands crossed over your chest instead of pushing off your knees. If the chair feels too low, start with a slightly higher seat. And remember, a slower tempo recruits more muscle fibers and builds strength faster. Aim for 5 controlled repetitions, 3 times a week. As you get stronger, add more reps or slow down the movement to increase resistance naturally. Exercise number 2, wall push-up. The wall push-up is one of the simplest yet most powerful upper body exercises for seniors because it targets the muscles you rely on every single day. It strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps, key muscle groups that help you push yourself out of bed, get up from the couch, and support your upper body during movement. This exercise also improves posture by engaging the muscles that keep your shoulders back and your spine aligned. And just as important, it trains your fall protection reflex, helping your arms and hands react quickly if you ever lose your balance. These are the kinds of strength skills that keep you independent, capable, and confident. To perform the wall push-up with perfect form, begin by standing about an arm's length away from a wall. Place your palms flat against the wall at shoulder height and slightly wider than your shoulders. Position your elbows at a natural 45-degree angle, not flared out too wide. Now slowly lean your body toward the wall, taking about 2 seconds to lower your chest. Stop when you're just a few inches away. Then press yourself back to the starting position in a smooth, controlled motion. Keep your body in a straight line the entire time. Your hips shouldn't drop or lift. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions for 2 to 3 sets, 3 days a week. As you get stronger, you can progress by moving your feet further away from the wall, which increases resistance. Eventually, you can move up to countertop push-ups, and later, incline push-ups for even greater strength. Exercise number 3, standing march with arm swing. The standing march with arm swing is one of the most valuable exercises for seniors because balance often declines faster than strength after age 65. This movement helps retrain your body to stay steady during everyday activities like stepping over curbs, turning quickly, or walking on uneven ground. It strengthens the core muscles that keep you stable, improves coordination by syncing your arms and legs, and activates the communication pathways between your brain and lower body. In short, this drill prepares your body for real-life balance challenges and helps you move with more confidence and control. To perform this exercise safely, stand tall behind a sturdy chair and place one hand lightly on the back for support. Lift your right knee up toward your hip while simultaneously swinging your left arm forward, just like a smooth marching motion. Then lower both the arm and leg with control. Switch sides by lifting your left knee and swinging your right arm. Keep your chest lifted, your core engaged, and your movements slow and deliberate. The goal isn't speed, it's stability. Avoid rocking or leaning from side to side. For timing, perform this marching movement continuously for 30 seconds, then rest briefly and repeat it for 2 more rounds. These short intervals are enough to activate your balance system without overwhelming your muscles. This exercise targets the core stabilizers, hip flexors, lower abdominals, and the brain's coordination center, the cerebellum. When these areas work together, your balance becomes sharper, your steps more controlled, and your risk of falling drops dramatically. Daily routine structure. How to combine all 3 exercises. Simple weekly plan. To make these exercises effective, the goal isn't long workouts, it's consistency. Aim for 3 sessions per week, each lasting under 10 minutes. This frequency is enough to stimulate strength, balance, and mobility without overwhelming your body. Focus on showing up regularly, because building the habit matters far more than pushing for intensity. Example, 10-minute session. A balanced routine includes 1 movement for strength, 1 for upper body control, and 1 for balance. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Chair squats, 5 controlled reps. Wall push-ups, 8-10 slow, steady reps. Standing march drill, 30 seconds. After completing all 3 exercises, rest briefly, then repeat the cycle 2-3 times, depending on your comfort and ability. This creates a complete functional workout for seniors. Safety guidelines. Safety always comes first. Keep your breathing steady throughout the movements, never hold your breath. Avoid fast or jerky motions, as slow and controlled movement builds strength more effectively. Always feel free to use a chair or counter for support, especially during balance exercises. And most importantly, stop immediately if you feel sharp or unusual pain. Listening to your body ensures long-term progress and protection. Before you forget, I want you to do something powerful. Stand up right now and perform just 1 sit to stand. Feel your legs activate, feel your core tighten, feel your body respond. That simple motion is more than an exercise. It's the first step to regaining your strength, 1 rep at a time. Remember, strength can be rebuilt at any age. Your body is always ready to improve when you give it the right signal. If you commit to just 3 sessions a week, these movements can genuinely change how you walk, move, and live. This is about independence, confidence, and long-term mobility. If this message inspires you, comment, "I'm starting today." Like the video, subscribe for more guidance, and don't miss next week's topic. The #1 protein mistake, destroying senior muscle strength. And please share this with a parent or friend, someone who deserves to stay strong too.